Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in my channel. This time we are going to do something different. We are going to review and see how to refill your Copic markers with Copic refills. So let's get started. So I had like 4 different Copic markers over here, and I was running out of ink in I think almost all of these things over here. So what I did was I went to the store and got 4 of these actually. So these are C1, C2, C5 and then C7 marker. C7 marker inks. So this is the C7 marker that I have got brand new, so I don't have to refill this. So and I have already refilled the C5 marker and I have made a little bit of mess over it. So now in this video I'm going to teach you how to refill a C1 marker. So let's get started. Alright, so this is the C1 ink over here. I'll just get these out of the way. So first just let's see how bad our Copic markers are in this state. So we'll just take the broad tip over here. As you can see, it's already like whitish in color, and if I just go over, it's streaking out. As you can see over here, these lines they shouldn't be there. These lines over here, I think it's time to just refill this marker. And the same case with over here also, although it's not that evident. So what you need to do is first take out both the end caps of your marker. This simple and easy. And take your Copic various ink and make sure you're choosing the right shade of refill. So just before buying these markers, just see the amount of ink that is there in this barrel, just to stay out of duplicates or any kind of manufacturing defects and so on. So just unscrew this and make sure not to press this barrel as you're unscrewing, otherwise it will just spill out. So just unscrew this, nice and easy. And what you need to do is just hold the marker at a slight angle like this, and then just apply or keep applying a few drops, just like this. Just give it some time so that it absorbs the ink, and make sure to do this on both the ends. It just goes in nice and easy. And usually, based on what I have seen or read on the internet, it takes around 20 drops or so. I'm not counting here as such. I'll just drop in a few drops, and since these markers will be lying around on my table, whenever there is a need to refill, I'll just refill it. And it makes a lot of sense to just buy these refills along with the marker that you are buying. I know these are slightly more expensive than the marker, but for the cost of one of these refills, you can literally buy 10 of these markers, or in other words, you can refill 10 times using this one Copic various ink bottle. And the price here in India is around 435 rupees. Just use the Google to make your conversions. And the cost of one Copic marker is around 350 rupees. So almost it's the same cost, slightly more, but it's worth the extra money that you're paying. And I have made a few experiments with other markers, and the problem is none of the other brand markers come with refillable inks, and their quality is really not that great as compared to the Copic markers. So it's actually really good. And one more tip is, instead of buying the whole set like 1 to 9, just buy odd or even numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, and that should be good, where you can save some amount of money. So I think, yeah, this is good over here. I think this is nice and juicy, and I'll just go ahead and screw this nice and tight, and let's see how a marker performs over here. So this is how it was streaking a little bit, and let's see how it is right now. Oops. Yeah, much better. And yeah, as you can see, it's nice and even over here. I think I have to add a few more drops to this, but I think you get my point. There's no point going over it again and again. And also today in the store I got one of these. These are Zero, which is a blender. So I don't think you can see it. Yeah, it is a Zero color, which is a blender. I haven't seen this. These are very cheap. It's like you can, in terms of dollars, it can say like $50 or about 50 rupees, I guess, in Indian currency. And this is used to blend between two colors. I don't know how these are, but I'll see. Since these were so cheap, I thought I'll give it a shot. So right now I'm having C1 and where are the others? Okay, this one and these ones over here. This is all I have here: 1, 5, 7 and 0 over here. And I don't have a 0 over here right now, but I'll just fill it with number 3, I guess. So that should be good. So yeah, I think that's it. Oh yeah, I also got a Brusto black ink. And one more tip here is that instead of buying a Copic black ink, which is a bit expensive, you can just go for a cheaper black alcohol marker, because black inks are, when it is used as an outline or something where the flow doesn't really matter that much. So you can just pick any cheap marker that is available. And one more thing that I bought today is, I'm not sure about this brand. It's Geo College. It's a black fine liner of 0.7 millimeters, I guess. So let's make a quick drawing of a car here. Nice smooth lines, and get our wheels in line, and get our character line. And just draw some basic car like this. So yeah, even this is looking good. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. I will see you in my next drawing tutorial that I'll be doing. So yeah, keep drawing every single day, and see you then. Bye bye. Take care.